Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 9 math. Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 9 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 9 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter linear inequalities. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Grade 9 math, the chapter we are on right now is linear inequality. Let's just see lesson. Let's just start with the first lesson. Does xy satisfy the inequality? So does the point 69 satisfy the inequality? You are given an ordered pair. So you have to see if the point 69 satisfy the inequality. The inequality is 2x plus 19, y less than equal to 16. This is the x value and this is the y value. X equals 6 and y equals 9. The inequality replace the x with 6 and y with 9. 6 times 2 is 12. 19 times 6 is 171. When you add that makes 183. So 183 is less than 16. No. So that's why false it is. Let's just start with the test questions. Does the point 10 8 satisfy the inequality? X is 10, Y is 8. So that is 8 is greater than equal to 9 times 10 plus 10. 8 is greater than 90 plus 4. 90 plus 4 is 94. So 8 is greater than 94 or less than 94. 8 is greater than 94. False it is. The correct option is no. So the point does 10 8 does not satisfy the inequality. Does 10 4 make the inequality yx plus 4y greater than equal to 12? Let's just see. Y is 4, x is 10 plus 4, y is 4. 40 plus 16. That makes 56. 56 is greater than 12. False it is. The correct option is no. Option number 2 is the correct option. Yes. Oh, okay, great. Is 7 7 a solution to the inequality below? No, that is not the solution, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Is XY a solution to the system of inequalities? Let's just start with the lesson. That is exactly the same we just did. So let's just start with the test questions. Is 2, 5 a system of the linear of the system of inequalities? So that is a system of inequalities. If both the conditions are true, then that means yes, that is a solution of the inequality, right? Let's just start with first equation. Y is less than equal to plus 10. Y is 5. 5 is less than equal to 12. Yes, it satisfies the point. Now let's just look at the second one. That is y is less than equal to 5x plus 2. 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 15 is less than equal to 12. The correct option is yes, 15. 2, 5 is a solution of system of inequality. The point is 2, 5, right? So both the equations satisfy the point. That means yes, 2, 5 is a solution of system of inequalities. Option number 1 is the correct option. Is 5, 8 a solution of the system of inequalities? So the first equation is 13x plus 12y is greater than 19, and the second one is x plus 14y greater than 10. So 13x is 5, 12y is 8 plus n. 5 plus 14 times 8 is greater than 10. So 65 plus 86, that is greater than 19. Yes, it is. So that is the correct option. So 5 plus 14 times 8 is 112. So 57 plus 112 is greater than 0. Yes, it is. So both the equations are true, right? Because the solution is for both the correct option is the correct option is yes. Is 2, 9 a solution to the system of inequalities? The correct option is 9. False it is. The correct option is no. Is 210 a solution to the system of inequalities? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is no, that is not the solution of the inequality. So, the correct option is no. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Linear inequalities solve for y. Linear inequalities solve for y. 16x plus y is less than 8. You need to write down the equation in the slope-intercept form. The first thing you need to learn is slope-intercept form of the slope-intercept form of the inequality is a slope-intercept form of an equation y equals mx plus b, but with an inequality symbol instead of an equal signs, right? So they are exactly same, but in equalities you have an equal sign, but here you have the greater or less. So you need to write down the equation in the form y equals mx plus b. So you need to isolate the variable y, that is y is less than negative 68, 16x plus 8. Let's just start with the test questions. Solve for y. For write the following inequality in the slope-intercept form. So you need to write down the equation in the slope-intercept form. So the equation is 20x plus y greater than equal to negative 20. The first thing you need to do is isolate the variable y. So you need to move that 20x other side, so that is y is greater than equal to negative 20 plus 20x. So you can, so the correct option is option number negative 20 minus 20x. Option number 1 is the correct option. So 20x plus y is less than equal to negative 6. You need to isolate the variable Why? So you have to isolate the variable y. So that is y is less than negative 6 minus 20x. So which is the correct option? That is option number 2 is the correct option. So the correct option is y is less than equal to minus 20x minus 14 is the correct option. Plus 14. Oh yes, that is plus 14. Option number 1 is the correct option. 15x plus y greater than equal to negative 20. So which is the correct option? You have to isolate the variable y. So the correct option is option number 2 is the correct option. That is y is greater than equal to negative 15x minus 20. Write the following inequality in slope-intercept form. So you have to isolate the variable y. Move 20x other side. That is y is greater than negative 20x plus 12. Option number 1 is the correct option. 2. Okay, got it. The next one is 6x plus y is less than 10. So which is the correct option? That is y is less than negative 6x plus 10. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is graph a two variable linear inequality. Y is less than negative 2. So just make a line on negative the numbers that are less than negative 2. So you have all the numbers that are less than negative 2. So the graph looks like this. That is negative 2 and here is the numbers that are less than negative 2. So the graph look like this. Let's just start with the test questions. Look at graph the inequality x is less than equal to 5. Okay, let's just graph first. Then equal to 5. Okay, so here you have 5. Okay, x is less than, so you have to all the values that are less than negative 5. So this portion is colored left of the 5. Start positive 5 to the left. Option number 1 is the correct option. X is less than equal to 6, so which is the correct option? So that is x is greater than equal to 6. So on the right hand side of the 6 shade from 6 to the right. Option number 2 is the correct option. Y is less than negative 2, so which is the correct option? That is y is less than equal to y is less than 2. So -2. So you have, because that is less than -2, so the so the answer is shade from -2 down. Graph the inequality x is less than equal to 3. So which is the correct option? Less than equal to. So then that means that is on the left of the three. Option number one, two is the correct option. Y is greater than -4. So which is the correct option? Y is greater than -4. From -4 up because that is greater than -4. X is less than equal to 7, which is the correct option. Mm, X is less than equal to. So that means shade from +7 to the left. Graph the inequality. Y is greater than equal to -5. So which is the correct option? X is greater than equal to -5. So that would be shade from -5 up. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So please make sure you have So please make sure you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So the lessons, so if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can please ask question. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So any questions you can please ask if you have any. No questions. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session one.